So let's now talk about what is leadership. Lead employees in an effective manner. Okay. Able to influence employees, having human relationship. The key to leadership priorities, prioritization, creating positive change. Important ingredients, integrity, self-discipline, encourage others to work better. What's leading employees in an effective manner? You yourself, you are following the policy, you are in compliance with the policy. In compliance is the SOP, in compliance with the safe system of work, in compliance with methodology, the systems and procedure. If you are certified under ISO, or you're doing independent audit, you're doing self-audit, and you're allowing external audit for the purpose of CI, continuous improvement. Okay. Effective manner is you're doing the right thing all the time. You're having self-discipline, self-confidence, self-esteem. You're delegating to the right person the job. You're not having a favoritism. You overload one employee and then you underload another employee. That's not a good thing to do. You train and develop these people. If they lack the train and development, that's also another cause of motivation problem, motivational issue. You have to train them. The employee will think, why the company is not training me? I'm not to go anywhere if I don't have training. I'm not going to grow in my career because the company is not providing career development opportunity. They don't have what you call succession planning strategy. They don't have opportunity for promotion. Okay, you have to train and develop. You have to coach. You have to explain the role. You have to explain the job description, etc. Are able to influence employees. If you're having a track record, you're having a good performance, people will believe in you. People will follow you, and you'll be able to influence them because they believe in you. You become a celebrity. Why? Because you're a performer yourself as a manager and leader. You're always putting them in the right path of your leadership, right? Having human relationship, you are good in addressing conflicts in the workplace. You're addressing multicultural behavioral issue. You're good. You're having an open door policy. You are open to suggestion, open for proposal, and you let people participate. You know, those are kind of really relationship that you have to do. So the key to leadership priorities, you have to prioritize which one is important, which one is urgent, which one is non-important, which one is not so urgent. So you prioritize. You manage your time management. Which one is the most urgent one? You have it's good to multitask, but at the same time, doing multitasking is you're only doing the starting point for everything that you do. Nothing is completed, nothing is finished. That's the problem. That's the drawback of doing a multitasking. But dual multitasking is good if you can do it. If you are able also at the same time to prioritize, you have to do your priorities. Of course, you have to put in priority your people working under you. In terms of their training, development, you put priority on it. TNA, training needs assessment, you have to put priority in it. You address the weaknesses of the employee. That's how you put the priority. Okay? Creating positive change. positive change in terms of the behavior, in terms of the habit, working habit, all positive change. Change management in terms of the processing. Okay, you making changes on that. Yeah, doing all the kinds of training, that is also part of change management. Putting more equipment in place to address, like for example, I give you an example. People are doing manual handling, okay, doing lifting, heavy lifting of materials, maybe polybag materials in bags. They're lifting. What you do as part of your change management, you propose for buying lifting equipment, mechanical equipment, and that would be positive. Welcome to the employees who are having difficulty. Every day, 8 hours a day, they are lifting materials. What do you mean when you're doing that? You are looking at the health, safety, and welfare of your employees. Good leaders are taking care of the health, safety, and welfare of the employees. You don't want employees to experience hardships, difficulties. You have to be motivated. They have to do the job happily. They are actually enjoying their job. Important ingredient is the integrity. You as a leader, you have an integrity. Okay. When you say something, when you promise, you do it. You promise, you do it. When you put action plan in place, you don't start it, but you actually complete it. You have to complete. You convene meetings, we invite all concerned employees or stakeholders. Okay. And you finish the action plan. Especially if it is related to improvement, the bridging the gaps, improving the performance, improving the health and safety, especially if you have issues, incidents, accidents, injuries, you have to improve it. You have to put the action plan in place, and you involve everybody, and you let everybody participate. And there are certain area that you have to delegate to your employees. Okay. Self-discipline. You as an employee, as a manager, leader, you need to have discipline also, because the people will look up to you. You come on time, you come on meetings on time. Discipline. No vices. Okay. Etc. Time management is very important. Discipline. Encourage others. If the people feel they are not up to the challenge, they don't have the ability, they don't have the skills to do the job, no technical know-how, no knowledge, no experience, you have to give it to them. Then encourage them to improve. You can do the job. You can do it. You have to rely on your ability. I will give you the training, all the training you need, all the development you need. But you have to have courage. You have to have willingness to do the job. Okay? So definition of leadership is influence. Okay? So leadership is influence. How to win friends. You become your friends and they become your followers. You influence them. How to win friends and influence people. Like, for example, if you're a salesman and you're selling difficult to sell items, what you do is to win friends and then influence them. And then later on, they will buy your products because you are able to influence them. So you become an influencer. Now, why why celebrities are the one doing endorsement of certain products. Why they're doing it? Because they are good influencer. There are many followers and they believe in that celebrity. So the popular celebrity is the one doing the influencing. Okay. And there are politicians who are good influencer. There are TV personality who are good influencer. They influence people because they are celebrity and people are following him. Whatever they say, people are following. So in organization, if you're a good leader, you become popular and everybody will follow you and you become a good influencer. So the more people you influence, the more success you will be. If the people under you are following you and they become successful, they improve their efficiency, they improve their effectiveness, they improve their performance, they will be successful. And then you as their leader will also be successful. So the key to success in an endeavor is the ability to lead others successfully. So make people successful. There are people, managers, leaders who are not sharing their knowledge, sharing their technical know-how, sharing their skills, sharing whatever they have, sharing whatever experience they gain from the past experience. They're not sharing. They think, oh, this guy will replace me. That's not good idea. You have to share because you want them to be successful. If they become successful, you will also become successful yourself as a leader, as a manager. You have to share. That is one of the most important value in the workplace, in an organization. I'll give you 6 uh, important values. Number 1, adaptable. You have to be adaptable. Number 2, sharing. You have to share your experience, share your knowledge. Be passionate. You have to be passionate with your work, with your employees. Innovative. You have to be you have to have innovation. You have to be an innovative kind of manager. So 4 already. Respect. You have to respect the elders. You have to like your co-employees. You have to respect the subordinates. You have to respect your peers, your colleagues, etc. There should be respect. Respect their ideas. Respect their proposal. Respect their suggestions for improvement. You have to think about it, whether they are workable or not. So respect. And the last one, see, number 6 that I'm going to give you as values that you need to adapt is the excellence. Okay. So adaptable, sharing, passionate, innovative, respect, and excellence. Those are 6 for me. Most important value that you should have in your organization.